Hey guys, I'm Julia from Creative 971 from beautiful Dubai. We're talking today about a topic that many of you have asked us, and so we decided it's very important to actually bring out that message to you on a more digital level. So hence, how to start an e-commerce business in Dubai. That was the number one top question we've received over the past, I would say, 2 to 3 years. So now this is what we'll do. Today, I'm going to tell you, you have to first decide what you want to sell. Make sure that your industry, the product, and as well your network or community is surrounding to what you are planning to sell. Why is that so important? Many people have an idea, want to get started on something, and then kind of lose themselves as they go along, because you need to be genuine to the product, to the service, or whatever it might be that you're selling or that you're planning to sell. You need to have a plan, ideally a business plan, a structural plan. Many people have told us in the beginning as well, it was easy for them to map out a timeline, let's say over the next 2-3 years. Where do you see your business going? Visualize it in a positive way, and it's going to get there. So basically, after you set your product, your industry, you would also then know, I need a business license, right? We're operating in a country like the UAE that requires licensing. So please guys, make sure get your license in place. If you do need help for any of those topics or getting licenses, then please feel free to reach out to us. Down in the video, you can see our links and you can see our email to directly be in touch. So once you have your product, your service, once you have your license, what is the next step? Exactly. So you have to work on your social and digital channels. You have to ideally work on your website. If it's an e-commerce driven business, your website will be maybe your number one sales channel or a big tool that is actually bringing you there. Now, please do not make the mistake just to think you're setting up a website and off you go and you get the traffic completely by yourself. That's not going to happen, right? The realistic scenario is you need to build that traffic up. You need to build that traction way ahead of launching a website or launching a product. So make sure you're getting actually the information, create the social channels that are relevant for you. Please also make sure we're making another video to cover which social channels are relevant for which type of business. Now, in this case, I'm just talking generally about it. Once you have your social channel, once you have your website, please do make sure to engage as well in the offline world. It's not only about online, even though e-commerce in Dubai is often confused. Okay, I'm only doing it online. It's never going to work that way. You have to put in the effort, you have to put in the network as well to create a value for the people, because only once your product or service creates an actual impact on the community, that's when you're actually going to be successful. So moreover, once you have that created, of course, there are several marketing steps, several tools, tricks and tips that specifically on Shopify you can use. And we are going into a series of videos to more in detail and tell you all about it.